girl. See what I mean, girl. With the bang bang. Bang shake girl. Bang with it, girl. Head with it, girl. Bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long.
Under the supervision of Ma'am INC Ramos. According to them, infatuation is when you find somebody who is absolutely perfect.
Just you.
Love is when you realize that they are and it doesn't matter. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidates for Mr. and Miss Valentine 2020 from grade 7 Jupiter are Linda Valentine and Nicole Masangkal. Next candidate is from grade 7A, Krisha Jaya Biela and Myron Claude Jr. Under the supervision of Mr. Jem Cagayan. We believe in the saying that when you're single, all you see are happy couples. When you're committed, all you see are happy singles.
Me not play no hide and
Palakpakan natin ang candidates ng grade 7A.
free. Anytime you wind up, catch it, this select a bullet up on the beat, girl. But it don't touch another no, it's going on, let it burn it. More than what the world. You want more than diamond, more than gold.
Our next candidates is from grade 7 Mercury. Under the advisory of Mr. Carlos Salvador, Maria Romero, and Alfie Agaw. They believe in the saying that goes, it might take a year, it might take a day, but what's meant to be will always find its way. Ladies and gentlemen, the candidates from grade 7 Mercury.
With the bang bang.
Ready na remember ang kandidata ng grade 7 Venus. Marjorie Estrella and Prince Daniel Sandoval. They're under Ma'am Jacqueline Atlita, and they will be the saying, when you fall for someone's personality, everything about them becomes beautiful.
With the bang bang. Me and you, girl, you and me. Step it to the floor and let me see your energy because me not play
Hindi
no
rin
hide and
magpapatayo ang candidates from grade 7 Saturn, Maria Perez Villalobos and Lea Sabaran.
but it don't touch another no, me pocket can only this world it.
Under the advisory of Mrs. Jocelyn Fuentes.
Diamond more than gold. When the day just take control. You want more than diamond, more than gold. Get out of control.
At naniniwala sila sa kasabihan, with love, you should go ahead and take the risk of getting hurt. Because love is an amazing feeling. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the candidates for Mr. and Miss Valentine 2020 from grade 7 lecture,
With the bang bang.
Jamela Caballero and James Habilita. They believe in the saying, you don't want to live your life and then met someone. You want to share your life with someone. That's what I'm missing right now.
Just you.
Ayaw magagawa.
Comes next is the candidate of Miss Mr. and Miss Valentine's 2020 from Grade 8 Sapphire. Angel Joy Blancover and Justin Atten. They're under the advisory of Miss Darren Baldismo. They are both 14 years old and they believe in the same God. A woman has got to love the partner once or twice in her life to be thankful for a good one.
Me and you, girl, you and me. Step into the club and let me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Let me see the thing you want, let me feel me, girl. Free anytime you find out, touch it, it's like
Next candidates are from Grade 8 Amethysts. Carmela Tulum Jola Belita and Renee Ariola. Carmela is 14 years old and Renee Ariola is 13 years old. Under the advisory of Ma'am Marisol Villarreal. We believe in the saying that some people you love while they're there, and some people you love forever, whether they're there or not. Once again, let's give a big hand to the candidates of Grade 8 Amethyst. And now, the candidates of Grade 8 Pair, Cherry Jane Magno and Samuel Navarro. Under, of course, the advisory of Ma'am Jinlo Arellado. Cherry is 14 years old and Samuel is 13 years old, and they believe in the saying that we can live without religion and meditation, but we cannot survive without human affection. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the candidates from Grade 8
Let me
Girl.
see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Let me see the thing you want, let me feel me, girl. Free anytime you find out, catch it, it's select, pull it up, put it on repeat, girl. Put it out, touch it, and I'm in pocket, cause only this word is more than what you were.
Let's move on to Grade 9. And first in line is the Grade 9 result candidates. Jafara Lama and Jennifer Silvano. Under the course with advisory of Ma'am Marina Salabur. They are now 16 years old and they believe in saying that being someone's first love may be great, but to be their last is beyond perfect. Put your hands together for the Grade 9 result candidates. Makes you forget your problem, holds your hand, likes to kiss, appreciates arts, and adores you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the candidates from Grade 9 of you.
Anytime you find out, catch it, it's select, pull it up, put it on repeat, girl. Put it out, touch it, and I'm in pocket, cause only this word is more than what you were.
someone else happiness is your happiness, that is love. Once again, put your hands together from our candidates from grade 9 Aguinaldo. So with your best round from grade 10 South Paguita, Christine Bernardo and Christopher Roy. Christine is a 15-year-old lady and Christopher is 16 years old. They're under the advisory of an other guy called Rowena Delphine. And they believe in the same God that strong men doesn't have to be dominant towards a woman. It doesn't match his strength against a woman's weak with love for him. It matches it against the world. Once again, turn your heads with a great candidates.
Me and you, girl, you and me. Step into the club and let me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Step into the thing you wanna make me feel girl. Free. Anytime you wind up, catch it, this selection, pull it.
Take your time, great and sunflower. Showing the wrist, Jem Cagayan. Your wife is 17 years old and under the supervision of Aunt Abigail Furia. They believe in the saying that the best is the one person that makes you a better person without changing you into someone other than yourself. Once again, let's give a hand to great time sunflower candidates. It's your turn, great time Arthur. Maria, Maria Elizabeth is a 16-year-old and Christian Knight is 17 years old under the advisory of Ma'am Eliza Ritas. And they believe in the courage to trust love. One more time and always one more time. Once again, to the hands, to the great ten output candidates. The next question is Valentine's Day candidates are from grade 11 Athena, Rina Rivera and Carmen Martin Medina.
Me and you, girl, you and me. Step into the club and let me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Step into the thing you wanna make me feel girl.
Rina is 11 years old and Carmen is 17. They are under the supervision of Aunt Louisa Vasquez. And they believe in the same God. Sometimes you can't explain how they see in a person. It's just the way they take you to a place where no one else can. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang kandidata ng grade 11 Athena. It just means you know enough to wait for it. Once again, palakpakan natin from grade 11 up to 19 candidates. Take your best walk. Candidates from grade 11 Hestia, James Abuliba and Matar Glahan.
Me and you, girl, you and me. Up it to the floor, and me see your energy bigger. Me not play no hide and seek. If you see the thing you